Hello, Tech Talk listeners. This Friday, we're diving into some groundbreaking tech developments that are sure to blow your mind. First up, a new study reveals that AI can now predict your political leanings based on your social media activity. While impressive, it raises significant ethical concerns, particularly around targeted advertising and free speech implications, as this AI model analyzes your comments and likes with high accuracy. Next, we're exploring France's latest innovation, a kamikaze drone by EOS Technologies, zipping through the skies at 400 km/h. This drone is set to revolutionize aerial defense with its GPS-independent, jamming-resistant navigation system capable of detecting vehicles up to 15 kilometers away. For smart home enthusiasts, OpenAI's new assistant, powered by ChatGPT, promises to outshine Alexa and Siri, integrating seamlessly with your smart devices for a conversational experience like never before. Lastly, we'll delve into a prototype for holographic 3D glasses that could make bulky VR headsets a thing of the past, letting you see vibrant 3D images through ordinary-looking glasses. And remember, Tech Talk is proudly sponsored by Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning, your trusted partner for cleaner air at home.